Everyone's talking about trends, but in the stock market, do they always lead to success? When markets surge, it's tempting to join the crowd. But what happens when the trend turns? Does following the trend bring profit or panic? Join the debate on 14th October 2025, Tuesday, at 7 PM IST. Voices from Dozen Diamonds come together to explore one of the biggest investing questions. Is following trends always successful? Sales team to take on the product development team, as they unpack how trends shape and sometimes shake the markets. Don't just follow the market's move, debate it. Discover whether following trends always leads to success. 14th October 2025, Tuesday, at 7 PM IST debate link in the description.